Enjoy today, sacrifice later. Or sacrifice today, enjoy later. Ganun lang naman yan eh. You make choices, di ba? So pag in-enjoy mo kaagad, that's instant gratification. Hindi ka mag-enjoy later kasi ginastos mo upfront, di ba? Ngayon, pag medyo may konting sakripisyo ka today, pwede kang mag-enjoy later dahil pinaglaanan mo yung kinabukasan mo. Ngayon, dito sa Rampberg, in-improve natin yan. Di ba? Importante dito sa Rampberg, hindi naman sa sacrifice today, enjoy tomorrow. Tayo ngayon sa Rampberg, sinasabi natin, enjoy the right things today so you can also enjoy the right things tomorrow. Ibig sabihin, pwede ka naman talaga mag-enjoy pero medyo sukatin natin yan, planuhin natin yan para yung enjoyment and what we call wellness, no, goes through and through. Kasi, di ba, imagine, ang definition kasi talaga ng wellness, a lot of our ka-RFFs, baka mamaya, hindi nakikita yung definition na yan. Financial wellness is security and freedom of choice. Ano yun? Yung kahit anong araw gigising ka, hindi ka gipit, secure ka. Tapos, nabibili mo yung gusto mong bilhin. Pero ito yung kicker dito. Security and freedom of choice in the present as well as in the future. Yun eh. So, in the present as well as in the future. So, paano ka magiging financially well in the future? Kung susukatin mo yung present, tatapatan mo para may nilalaan ka for your future. So, it's a life of responsibility. So, yung ginagawa natin bawat araw, yan ang magdadala and you capture that with those words, delayed gratification. I-delay mo muna. Kasi pag dinelay mo, magagamit mo yung pera, kikita yung pera, lalaki yung pera, kaysa ginastos mo na, wala nang paglago yun.